how to put your seeds in the ground. That's it.
That's it.
Hey garden friends, how are you guys doing? I am ready, I am very proud to say that I am now the proud plant mama to a lemon tree, y'all. I'm so excited. The thought of having like a strawberry lemonade from my garden, y'all, like, I don't even know how to explain it. Like, I'm so excited. I have watched countless number of YouTube videos about how to take care of a citrus tree, and I am going to do my best and not kill this tree, y'all. But I don't really know much about it other than what I've researched. But one of my mottos is you live and you learn. So what I have learned is that it's best to grow them in like a pot. So I have this little pot here. This is one of my pots that I like to mix my soil in. So I thought about using something like this, but then I decided against it. I'm just going to put it in one of my grow bags, and I'll search around for a more permanent spot or a more permanent home for it. So apparently citrus does not like the soil to be wet. It actually can go a few days with a drier soil. So I guess my grow bags would be the easiest thing that I have right now to use. So I'm gonna just go ahead and use my grow bags because I don't want this staying in this container, okay? So y'all, I'm so excited. If you've grown lemon trees or citrus trees, let me know in the comments and leave all the advice, because y'all, I don't know nothing about this, all right? So here we go. I'm gonna do it in I'm gonna do it in one of my smaller grow bags because, like I said, this is not gonna be its permanent home. This is only gonna be here maybe for this season. So because I had some it was some spinach in here, but I've now transitioned all of my spinach out to my Dollar Tree stackables. Can you guys, what is this? Oh, my bad, y'all, my bad. Let me see if I can move that. Boop, boop. Is that better? I cracked myself up. Okay, so because I've moved my spinach into the Dollar Tree stackables, I have a couple grow bags that are open. But y'all, I am ordering some grow bags, not only because I need some more, but it's time for a giveaway, y'all. Y'all done got me to 300 subscribers, and I am blown away, y'all. I am blown away. I am humbled. I am grateful. So as a way to say thank you to you guys, I'm gonna give away some grow bags. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So grow bags can come in many different sizes. I think this is a 10-gallon grow bag. So my plan is to find some 10-gallon grow bags as well as the larger grow bags, just in case one of you guys want to grow some sweet potatoes in. Actually, with the larger grow bags, you can grow whatever you want in it. Like, you can grow a lot. So let's do it. So in order to qualify for this giveaway, one, you have to be subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? And two, you have to comment below. One, you can comment if you've grown any citrus in your garden, and two, what would you grow in the grow bags? Okay, so let's see. This giveaway will run, let's say, 1 week. So today is April 17th. So what we're going to do is it'll go from April 17th through April 24th, which is next Monday. Okay, and then we will do the giveaway live at, let's say, 7 o'clock. Okay, because my daughter has swimming on Mondays, so let's say 7 o'clock, and then that way Layla Bud can be in the video as well, because bedtime is 7:30. Yeah, She ain't staying up for no video, okay? So make sure if you want to be entered into the drawing, the lottery, whatever you call it, for some grow bags, that you are subscribed, and then you comment below whether you've grown citrus in your garden and what you would grow in the grow bag. All right? Guys, I'm so excited. It's my first giveaway. How exciting is that? But yes. I don't think I have any international followers or subscribers, but it has to be open to the US only, so I'm sorry. But that don't mean that you can't subscribe, because I'll find a way to have you included in this next giveaway. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this citrus tree planted. I amended this, like I said, this soil is already amended and really ready. So I showed you guys a trick before, like if you just take your thing and you just kind of like shuffle it in. Let me see if I can put you down a little bit. All right, y'all, so that didn't work. But all I'm doing is putting the actual pot that the tree is planted in inside the grow bag like this. And what this doing is making space and showing me if I have dug deep enough or if I need to take this out and dig a little bit deeper. But this is, oh, well, hello, Mr. Roly Poly. And goodbye. Okay. So this is deep enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this inside. Now, on top of here, there are, ew, I don't know what that is. Ew. Yucky, as Layla would say. All right. So, root system looked pretty good. No, like root bound. It looks good. Y'all almost missed that chair. I'm gonna break it up just a little bit. We always talking about like pruning our plants, but we never prune the roots. We gotta break them up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to backfill with my my new soil. Just like that. Let's see if I could just dump it, because it be taking forever. Yeah, that's so much easier. So you can see the different color soils in here. So this is like a potting soil and a peat moss. That don't belong in here. All right. Apparently citrus trees also like a lot of sun, which makes sense. So my plan is to leave this like right in the main garden, because the main garden, it gets sun like all day, but then in the evening, once the sun is on the other side, it's like just more shadowy. So this would be good so that it's just not like pounding down. Pounding down all day. Hopefully we won't get no sun scald. You know, oh y'all, look at it. Look, oh, she's heavy. Look at her. But the awesome part about growing this in a container is like I can kind of protect it over the winter. So at the end of the season, like I've watched videos of like how you prune it down, and then you can like keep it in a sheltered location so that you know, your winters don't destroy it. Now, don't get me wrong, like I said, I live in Maryland, and our winters are hit or miss. Like, we have winters where it's freezing cold and we're getting a ton of snow, and then like last year or this year, y'all, I think it might have snowed once or twice. So I don't know. You never know what you're gonna get in Maryland. My fellow Marylanders, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to share that I am the new plant mom of a lemon tree, y'all. If I make strawberry lemonade this summer, y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. And you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. So don't forget, enter the giveaway. This will run for 1 week. Last day, April 24th. Go ahead and subscribe. Y'all, thank you so much. Like, when I say, like, I'm blown away by how the channel has grown, I am telling you the truth. Like, never in a million years did I imagine that I would have 300 subscribers to my little garden channel. So I am very grateful for everybody. And I look forward to connecting with you guys in the next video. All you gotta do is put some seeds in the ground. Bye.